Hello guys, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. Those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. So yeah, you're already wondering that today I'm speaking in English. So why? So just I wanted to make a video in English. So yeah, I'm just making a video. So yeah guys, this is the tomato plants which we have planted, and it is giving a very good result. So as you can see, many tomatoes are growing over here, and none of the tomato in this garden is ripe, and just we are waiting for the tomatoes to ripe, so we don't need to buy tomatoes from the market or from the supermarket. Yeah, if I will talk about its maintenance, then it doesn't need any maintenance. We have just planted it in the ground, and seeing all this, you will be wondering that earlier here were gladiolus plant. Yeah, gladiolus we had planted, but now I think, I'm not sure about it, but I think that the season is finished of gladiolus plants. That's why we have just chopped the plant, and this much only left, and inside bulb is there, the flower bulb. So yeah, I was talking about it maintenance. It doesn't need much maintenance, just organic fertilizers. We use organic fertilizer because it's good for the plants, and it's is nutritious for the plants. Okay, so yeah, we are using the uh, organic fertilizers instead of chemicalized fertilizers, because it harms the plant. Even it harms the plants and the garden, the mother earth, and the mother nature too. So yeah, that's why we don't use any chemicalized fertilizers in our garden. So it is an organic garden, and so we are having two types of tomatoes. One is cherry tomato, another is this normal tomatoes which we get to see in the bazaars or in the markets and supermarkets. And if you want to see the video of our cherry tomatoes, then it will be coming in the up in the I button, or the link is also in the description box. And yeah, so that is it for today guys. And I didn't got any topic, not even my mom got any topic to make a video. So we have just, means not we, I have just made this video for you all guys. Yeah, so if you really like the video, then please do consider subscribe if you are new, and just share it, comment down below how you like it, and you can always suggest that on which all topics we have to make a video or shoot a video, and give it a thumbs up, which means to us a lot, and it always motivates us to make videos for you all, whoever is watching the video.